Hi friends, if you want to delete a safe password from Safari on your MacBook, then keep watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Now before we start, there's one important thing you need to understand. There are two possible places where your Google password might be saved. So, it could be saved in Safari or it could be saved in your Google account. I'll show you both methods, so no matter where it's saved, you'll be able to remove it. Method 1. Delete saved password from Safari. If the password was saved directly by Safari, follow these steps. First, open Safari. Then click on Safari in the top left corner. Click on Settings or Preferences. Now go to the Password tab. Next, tap Open Passwords. You will be asked to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID. Go ahead and verify. Now in the search bar, type google.com. Select the saved account from the list. Click on Delete Password and confirm. That's it, the password will be removed from Safari. Method 2. Delete saved password from your Google account. If the password is not saved in Safari but instead in your Google account, then you will need to remove it from Google Password Manager. Here's how. Open Safari and go to password.google.com. Type password.google.com in the search bar and press enter. Now go to Google Password Manager. Here, sign in your Google account. Right now, I don't have any saved passwords here. If you have saved passwords, they will appear in the section. You just need to find the account whose password you want to remove and delete it from there. So guys, that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.